think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk.
Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on the channel, if you're just passing by and came across this video or one of my videos, I go by the name Suloko Ushu, and we can follow each other on all social media platforms at Sulu_Go Ushu. And thank you very much for tuning in to my regulars. Thank you so much for always coming back. If you are a regular, I'm assuming we are friends on Facebook, we are friends on Instagram, we are friends everywhere. Anyway, today's video, as you can see by the title, is my very first cook with me video. Rose suggested that I do a cook with me video, and that's exactly what we're doing today. Today is the day. Today we are in the kitchen and we are going to be cooking, and we are making chicken. So yeah, I actually got this recipe from TikTok. I'll leave the TikTok username of the person who shared this recipe on TikTok here, so that you guys can also follow. If there are other recipes, you can also, go and check her out. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So please stay tuned. So I was supposed to upload this video on Friday. Today is Sunday, ne? Yes. I was supposed to upload this video on Friday, but then I looked at it, man. In the morning, you know, before I upload a video or before I make it public, I watch it over and over and over, and there were just some things that were not sitting well with me on the video, ne? So I didn't upload the video. My heart was so sore. Like, I really wanted to upload this video because I was so excited. This is my very first Cook With Me video, and I am unable to because, you know, the perfectionist in me is not allowing. I never really planned to shoot or to film that day. My mom just said, please cook for us. And then, yeah, I started cooking. But then before I got any further with the cooking, I decided, you know what, let me try to do a Cook With Me video quickly. This was just a trial run, ne? I filmed where I was cooking the rice. I filmed where I was cooking the spinach. I filmed this part where I am cooking the chicken and. But the part, yeah, spinach, rice, there was just some things that were not sitting well with me. I feel so bad. I really want my people to see this video because I saw on the mini clip that I shared, people were really interested. I was like, okay, so people really like this video. Let me make a plan. So yeah, I make a plan and I decided, you know what, I'm going to remove the parts where I cook the rice, where I cook the spinach, and only leave the part where I cook the chicken. But now the problem is I already deleted all the other footage. So now I'm like, okay, I take that video, the final video, the original video that I shot, you know, that I was supposed to upload on Friday. Then I take it, I shorten it, and, you know, turn it into this. Leave only the parts where I am, you know, cooking the chicken. I thought of shooting the video from scratch, you know, cooking everything from scratch, and I'm like, what if they don't come out the way they did? I mean, the quality is insane. Everything is just, you know, happening. Everything is proper. So I was like, okay, it's fine. This is my first Cook With Me video. So if I only release the chicken recipe, I think it's still going to be okay, right? I mean, it's forgivable. I really wanted to upload this video, so I had to make a plan, right? So yeah, I made a plan, and today it's Saturday and I am shooting this video, the new intro, because obviously I cannot upload the previous intro. If the previous intro talks about cooking the rice, the spinach, and the chicken, so we're just going to pretend today it's last week Wednesday when I was cooking and so yeah, thank you guys. Oh, let's check. Actually, in our worlds, it's Wednesday. Let me go check if the meat is not ready yet, ne? Thank you very much for watching. The meal is so nice. The chicken is so nice. It has that barbecue or sweet chili flavor because of the brown sugar. I really like it. It's really nice. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified next time I upload another nice and fire video. And until next time, mwah.